हाय हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन। और आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे गिव रीजन क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एडवाइस टू यूथ। ओके, बीटा पब्लिकेशन का जो वर्कबुक है उसमें से हम जो है अपने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं आजकल। तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, गिव रीजन्स वाले क्वेश्चंस एडवाइस टू यूथ। और ये बहुत दिनों से रिक्वेस्टेड था ये वीडियो आप लोगों की तरफ से, तो सॉरी फॉर द डिले, पर चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ओके, इट इज़ बेस्ट टू टारगेट द वेरी यंग फॉर इंस्ट्रक्शंस बिकॉज their brains are highly receptive to learning and development during early stages. Okay, this is the answer to question number 1. Okay, question number 2 पे चलते हैं। One must obey one's parents because they provide guidance, support and by their experience contribute to personal upbringing and moral development. Okay, question number 3. In today's day and age, always avoid violence because peaceful and non-violent approaches lead to better solutions, understanding and a more harmonious society. Okay, question number 4 पे आते हैं। The lark is the best thing to wake up because the lark's melodic song can bring a sense of tranquility and connection to nature, creating a soothing and refreshing start to the day. Okay, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन समझने में दिक्कत हो तो मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा, मैं आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। और अगर आप लोगों ने एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो नहीं देखा है मेरा एडवाइस टू यूथ का, तो मेरे चैनल पे अवेलेबल है, उसको देखिएगा। कोई आपको दिक्कत आएगी तो आप बहुत अच्छे समझ जाओगे उस चीज़ को। ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे। Question number 5 is a student should be deeply involved in nurturing the art of flying because a student should not be encouraged to nurture the art of flying as honesty and integrity are essential values. Okay. Question number 6 पे आते हैं। The Boston Monument is mentioned in the essay because to highlight its historical significance and role in commemorating important events in American history such as the Revolutionary War. Okay, question number 7 पे आते हैं। An awkward, feeble, leaky lie should be avoided because it erodes trust, damages relationships and undermines one's credibility and integrity. Okay, let's come to question number 8. Firearms handling requires knowledge and care because mishandling them can lead to accidents, injuries and even loss of life. Proper education and responsible practices are essential for ensuring safety. Okay, question number 9 पे आते हैं। Young should read good books because they provide valuable insight, expand knowledge and enhance language skills and foster imagination, contributing to their intellectual and personal development. Okay, question number 10 पे आते हैं। Twain refers to a particular section of books because it illustrates his point about the impact of books on people's behavior. Okay, question number 11 पे आते हैं। Originality and individuality is absent in current society because of various factors such as social conformity, mass media influence and pressure to fit into predefined norms which suppresses unique expression of ideas. Okay, let's come to question number 12. Advice to youth is a hidden call for young people to think critically and act independently because it empowers them to make informal decisions, shape their own perspectives and contribute positively to society's progress. Okay, question number 13. Using a lark is the best way to get up in the morning because it helps you start your day with a sense of joy and enthusiasm, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Okay, question number 14. The author advises students to be careful about lying because trust and credibility are built on honesty and lying can damage relationships, reputations and personal integrity. Now question number 15 is the author mentions the monument in Boston because it serves as a symbol of historical significance and represents ideals of freedom and independence. Okay. Question number 16 is Mark Twain calls telling a line art because of its intricate and creative nature, often involving imagination and skillful construction. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. We have 3 more questions left, so let's discuss question number 17. Always obey your parents when they are present, because if you don't obey, they will make you do so as they think they know best. Okay. Secondly, they can't catch you आफ्टरवर्ड्स, मतलब अगर आप जो उनके सामने नहीं बोल के पीठ पीछे बोलोगे तो आपको पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे. सेकेंड रीज़न ये भी है, बट मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट विद इन द फर्स्ट वन. 18 नंबर, इफ़ ए पर्सन ऑफेंस यू हिट हिम विद अ ब्रिक, बिकॉज इफ़ ए पर्सन ऑफेंस यू डू नॉट रिजॉर्ट टू एक्सट्रीम measures. Okay. 19, young people must read religious and moral books because they offer valuable insight into ethical principles, guide personal growth too. Okay, that's all in today's session. I hope you like the video. और इस तरह के और अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना अगर नहीं किया है तो, और साथ ही साथ शेयर भी करना अपने दोस्तों के साथ. लाइक बटन ज़रूर दबाना बच्चों, मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता है आपके सपोर्ट से. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.